Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2001 Lexus GS300. This is to verify the production date. You're looking at 05/01, so this is a 2001. This is a second generation GS series, so this should be the same for all 97 to 2005 year model, if not very similar. If you need a cabin air filter, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. Right here you have a little trap door, fake door. Just pull straight up on the back of your glove box and the little door comes right up. Now you have gained access to the door that actually holds your cabin air filter. You're going to pull from the bottom up on this door. It's a little tricky at first. You got to get a good little grip on it. I don't think this has been replaced ever, so it was a little hard to get off. Yours might be the same way. If your cabin air filter is bad, these will affect the efficiency of your cooling system or how much air could flow through, and also they start to stink. Here's your cabin air filter. Go ahead and slide it out straight directly out. You can see this one is pretty bad, but given where we're at and what we're doing, not surprised. So your cabin air filter sits inside this cage. Pull it from around the tabs and obviously replace it with a new cabin air filter. This one I'll knock it off. No one's ever going to use it again. Your new cabin air filter has a arrow on the side that shows you the flow or the direction of flow the air should be. So make sure that is pointing in the right direction. Next, load your filter into the cage and simply slide it right back in to the housing. If it has any problem sliding into the hole, something is not right and you should remove it and just verify everything looks good before you start jamming it in there. To install this door, what I found the easiest way to do is push up. Let's see, there's a little up arrow, but push up to get the top clips to lock in first, and then you'll lock in the bottom ones. That saves you a lot of time. Again, I tried to push it flat, wasn't easy, took me a minute, then I realized push up and then push directly in and you don't have a problem. Again, if you need a cabin air filter, there will be a link in the description below. Make sure your tabs or ears are locked into place. Here's your trap door, the dummy door that goes on the back of your glove box. Don't forget to reinstall this and you're pretty much all done. They do make different cabin air filters that can filter out more pollens, dander, and dust if needed. Here, make sure your clips are locked into place, it looks good, and you're all done and good to go. If this video helped you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Thanks for watching. These videos right here might help you out on another project, and even hit that subscribe button, please. I'll see you in the next, hopefully helpful video.